Hello students, welcome again all of you. So students, in previous lecture we have done the following questions and we also given following answers, and also we have done short recap of chapter number 1 because chapter number 1 is a root of chapter number 2. Okay students, now in this lecture we will going to start how to find the location with the reference of the earth. Okay, let's begin. Now students, when we talk about various place, regions, rivers, roads, etc., we are actually talking with reference to the earth, right students? Without help of globe, map, we can't find the place, region, river, roads, etc., right? So the location of a place, extent of a region, and the extent of linear feature can be described precisely with the help of parallels and meridians. Do you remember what is parallels and meridian? Students, what is parallel and meridian? Remember that points which we have done in previous lecture? Yes, very good. What is the parallel? Parallel means what? Latitude. Latitude is also called parallel, and longitude is meridian. Okay. So let's see how to use graticule for this purpose. Now students, let us do one activity. Students, take out your textbook and open page number 10 and see figure number 2.2. This is the picture. This figure is also in your textbook. So the equator and the prime meridian are labeled in degrees in figures 2.2. Can you write the values of other meridians and parallels? So students, while describing the location of a place, we need to consider one parallel and one meridian. Again, I am repeating students, for describing the location of place, we need to consider one parallel and one meridian. Okay, how many parallel lines we have to take? One. And how many meridian lines we have to take? Only one parallel and one meridian. For example, the least located at 28 degree 36 minute 50 seconds north latitude and 77 degree 12 minute 3 seconds east longitude. Okay students, have you understood? For describing the location, how many parallels and meridian line we need to take? Only one. Okay. For describing the extent of a region, we need to consider two parallel and two meridian. How many lines we consider? Two meridian and two parallel at the extreme end of the region. For example, the extent of Australia 10 degree 30 minutes south to 40 degree 39 minutes south latitude and 130 degree east to 153 degree east longitude. Okay, here we have taken two lines, two parallel and two meridians. Now as we have taken one parallel and one meridian for describing the location and two parallel and two meridian to describe the region, now for describe the linear feature like river, road, etc., we need to consider latitude and the longitude of their terminal points. So students, can you tell what is terminal points, which I explained in first chapter also? Terminal point means end point. Okay, end. Okay students, understood this much? So for describing linear feature, we need to consider latitude and longitude for their terminal points. Okay, so here we have completed three different location, region and linear features with the help of earth. We find the how many parallels and meridians line we need to find the location, region and linear features. Okay students? Okay, now our next topic is let us use the gratitude. Okay students? Now students, open figure number 2.3 is in your textbook only, map of Brazil. So students, you have to answer the following question about the location extent with the help of figure 2.3. Okay, map of Brazil. So students, let's see the questions. As question as given already in your textbook, you can see. Okay, which latitude and longitude define the location of the capital of Brazil, Brasilia? What will be the longitudinal extent of Brazil that spread from 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude? In which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the north-south direction? In which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the east-west direction? Which parallels and meridians should be used to describe the extent of River São Francisco? Describe the location of Marajo Island using the gratitude. So all these answers we will see now. Okay, let me show you. So this is the answer of following questions. Okay students, this answer you have to copy in your notebook. Okay, which latitude and longitude define the location of the capital of Brazil, Brasilia? 16 degrees south latitude and 48 degree west longitude. Okay students, if you can't see, I can zoom the picture. Okay, now it's able to see. What will be the longitudinal extent of Brazil that spreads from 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south latitude? So answer is 73 degree 59 minutes west to 34 degree 45 minutes west longitude. Next question, in which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the north-south direction? Answer, Brazil extends in the north and the south hemisphere in the north-south direction. Next question, in which hemisphere does Brazil extend in the east-west direction? So answer, Brazil extend in the west hemisphere in the east-west direction. Two more questions remaining, right students? Which parallels and meridians should be used to describe the extent of River São Francisco? From 21 degrees south parallels and 47 degree 30 minutes west meridians to 7 degree 30 minutes south parallels and 36 degree 30 minutes west meridians should be used to describe the extent of River São Francisco. Last question, describe the location of Marajo Island using the gratitude. Answer, location of Marajo Island using gratitude can be described as follows: 0.4 degree north parallel and 51 degree west meridians. So these answer you have to write in your notebook. Okay, students? So here we have completed few more points. Wait. So students, in next lecture we will going to learn about importance, parallels and meridians. Okay? Thank you students. Bye.